Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make two paper aeroplanes. So let's start with the first one. Oh, it just came. So let's start. First, we need a paper. First, we need to fold the paper like this. What? And open it. Then we will make a triangle shape. Put the sides. Okay. And now we will open it again. Fold it and like this. It seems like a triangle. And open it again here and close it and do it again like that. Just do it like this. It's looking like a pocket like over here. And it's open it. And close it up. So if you see a pocket and see like this, so that means you are doing it. And then do it like this. It will just look like this. If you open it and then open it and cover it like this. Both the sides same. You can see the triangle, just put it like this. And look how it goes. And this. And fold it again. And more. It needs to look like this. And just fold it like this. Both the sides. It's looking like a statue. And open it like this and our aeroplane is already done. Look, same to same. Now another aeroplane. One second. Now this garden. First we will take and paper. We just need to fold it. 1 second. Something like tomorrow's aeroplane, and tomorrow like this. Then we will open it. Then we will fold it like this. Look. The other side also. So like this. And then another one like this. Then we will do like this. The same side too. And then we will fold it like this, like a boat. Then the back side. Like this. Then we will just fold it like this. The same side. When we will fold this, remember we have to do it 2 times. Okay. Next. Then we will do it like this with the finger. Don't forget this finger. It will look something like this. Then we will fold this triangle like this. Ta-da! It's looking like a spike. Then we will fold it like this. See, one second, like this. Then this. One second, I will stop. So we got the things. We just need a scissor and a pencil and a scale, but we don't have a scale right now. So we will do it like this. So we need to make a small sleeping line. Wait, one second. Then we will draw a straight like this, like this, like this. And then below the sleeping line we will also draw one more line. Then look, something like this. Look over here. Now we will cut. Aeroplane is ready. Just 1 second, and like, look, the same of the boat. Our planes are ready. So now let's see if they work. First one. So now we have 2 planes. Now let's see if they can fly. First thing. Second plane. Now I am going to catch the plane. Our planes can fly. Now let's see our planes can fly. Our planes can fly. See you in the next video. Like, share